On this episode of Doorbell News, what would you do if you found somebody sleeping in your car?
Dude, what the Are you kidding me?
Yeah, okay. You okay? You're just trying to get going, man.
Dude, no.
You know what?
Why are you in our car?
I don't know.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Pritchard, Alabama. A neighbor gets a motion alert and finds out that somebody's actually in her house while she's out of town.
Hands up! Your fucking hands up! Walk to me! Walk to me! Hands up!
Hey, put your hands up!
Come up.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Now. What do you need?
What do you mean?
Police in my
We got some exciting moments in this episode. Make sure you watch this one all the way to the end. La Jolla, California. This guy just walks right inside of somebody's house.
Hello? Oh, I was looking for an open house. I'm sorry. Do you know if this is what the address here is?
Dayton, Ohio. We got another doorknob wiggler here. Detroit, Michigan. A man's ex-girlfriend stops by to egg his house, but she soon finds out what instant karma is all about.
They in the blue truck. Hey, look at him. Oh, here they get outside. Damn! They just got smacked. Ooh! They on the way. Look, they going to chase them. No, somebody, okay, they about to bang. We gotta go down there.
You right here. But give me back my money or I'm calling the cops. You stole my money.
I don't got your money, buddy. Get lost!
Hey!
Meanwhile, in Pritchard, the neighbor comes to the realization that somebody's inside of her home.
The damn police is at my house. For what? I don't know. Hey!
Hello, Pritchard Police. Hey. Yeah.
What's going on?
You in the... Do you know that gentleman here?
Huh?
Do you know that gentleman here? Turn around.
No, what happened?
Do you know
No.
that gentleman here?
No, I don't. Was they breaking in my house?
Yes, ma'am. They was inside your house when we got here.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know them.
You say you don't know neither one of them?
I don't know now one of them, sir.
Okay, can you come home and check your residence?
I'm way out of town. I'm finna tell my stepdad and my brother to come over. Ask them,
Yeah, tell one of them to come.
I'm finna get them
Tell
to
one of them
come.
to come over and see if they can secure your residence.
Okay. Can you stay there for 10 minutes? Kyle, hurry up.
Hey! Get in the for escape.
They trying to run out the car. Can you check that? Can you? Oh, they running. He is running.
Hold on.
Little roguish. Somebody is breaking in my house. There's the call. Be alright. Then they trying to run. Somebody is breaking in my fucking house. Somebody is at the house breaking in her. And girl, one of them just jumped out the police car and ran. Yes.
Oh. Excuse me. Oh.
A FedEx employee is seen running into a neighbor's house to get away from a dog. Meanwhile in Mobile, check her out.
Way. Go away. Leave. Now. Leave.
Yeah, get lost! Toledo, Ohio.
Is that? Let me see.
Meanwhile in Mobile, this guy decides to walk inside of somebody's house at 3 a.m. Better keep those doors locked. Meanwhile in California, another FedEx driver. Let's see what happens.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
Meanwhile in Mobile, we got a lot of late night creepers out there, I see.
Second visit to the memorial. We're going to
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
second to the memorial. We're going to everything.
San Diego, California. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Hey, hey! I have you on video. I have you on video. I have you on video.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.